So guys, for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Kokoryo Restaurant. Kakain tayo dito. This is my third time na kakain dito sa loob. So may kasama ako sa loob. Let's go. Excited ako na isa ako kumain. Sangyup. So katabi lang ito ng Henan Garden Resorts. And this way going to beach. So kung mapapansin nyo, andito tayo sa middle beach and it's going to main road. So let's go. Kokoryo Restaurant, front of Eurotel, near Henan Garden in Azalea. So let's go try natin. This is my third time kumain na dito. Saan na tayo? So yung gustong mag-dine in dito, malawak yung area. Ayun, sobrang lawak yung area guys. So, sobrang ganda. Tapos katabi lang yun. Ayan, nandito. Yung gusto yung kumakain dito, mga Asian, Chinese, mahilig sa Sangyup, and I'm with my ka-foodie. Ano mo nakikita? I'm so excited to eat again. So my fourth times here. Dito na, niluluto niya. And this is the Wagyu beef, pork, and dumating na yung soup natin. Umusok na siya guys. And yung mga spices. So, i-enjoy ko yung food tonight kasi ito na yung dinner ko at hindi ako kumain kaninang lunch. And sobrang lawak ng area. So guys, who those really want to get try their Sangyup here, maraming pagpipilian at yung gustong mag-dine in dito, sobrang lawak ng area doon sa bandang likod. And that's it. Thank you so much. Bye!